Hey, my name's Shailei. I'm the Group Account Director at Reborn. We are a creative communications agency. And we have just done a session of PowerProv with Erin, who is an excellent facilitator. And I found it was really great in bringing the team together, helping us how to learn how to say yes to each other, and just building the team camaraderie to help us work together. We were a remote team. A lot of us work independently and just through the screens. So helping us bring the team together and learn how to work together closely, despite the fact that we're physically distant, was really, really great. Top 3 things I learned from the PowerProv session today were active listening, really listening to your team, saying yes and being able to build on that so you can work as a team to build something even better than what's in your own head, and also actively participating in things with your team by really learning how to listen to each other properly. I really learned today how to take what I've learned in the PowerProv session and apply it to my real life with my family, my children and my partner, learning how to say yes, to listen to everyone properly, and I don't think that you will walk away without having something that you can apply both to your work life but also your personal life as well. If you're thinking about doing a PowerProv session but you're sitting on the fence about it, don't sit, just don't think about it, just jump and have a really great session learning how to bring your team together with the PowerProv team.